that the court exercises its inherent power to ring-fence the administration of justice by ordering that we ring-fence this particular matter from adverse comments on social media, specifically by the first interested party. My Lord, this is necessary because it has become a habit that matters are being litigated on social media, thus interfering with the due administration of justice. I therefore seek that this honorable court will be pleased to grant an order that pending the hearing determination of these particular petitions, no party is allowed to either air views on this particular matter on social media or even scandalize the petitioners in any way. My Lord, we still have the petitioners as distinguished judges of the Supreme Court, and this practice ought to be stemmed because it's becoming a point of concern. Judicial processes and judicial authority is vested in the courts under the Constitution and nowhere else. So to assume a stance whereby social media is a substitute for judicial processes is something that should be highly discouraged. I humbly submit. And my Lord, in light of the importance of this particular matter, which touches on the apex court, we seek an expedited hearing and an expedited determination of this particular matter. And I humbly submit.
We can have a formal application so that those concerned can be able to respond and justify or defend themselves. Of course, I have seen even when I was doing a matter in Narok, there's a lot of accusation and many very bad things said about me and the party. But he won't to entertain because when we tried to interrogate him, he disappeared from the court that time. We want him now to come and defend whoever is. I'm not specifically saying that, but I'm talking specific, it happened. But that litigating the matter in the social media and maligning the parties and advocates, of course, is actionable. But to safeguard the integrity of the proceedings and also the parties and advocates, it is better you do an application so that we have a clear order which will be enforced in terms of contempt if cases violated. We set the parameters.
Maybe just to add a bit, it is important that you, as you do so, you also attach whatever makes you to make that complaint so that the court can have a look at it and also form its own opinion.
You're most obliged.